Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's John from Woods and Barclay, and today we're going on the test drive for the 1982 300 CD. I just got it back from the alignment shop, and we're just pulling out of the garage here. Let's see. Okay, we're at 75,913 miles, and on the trip odometer, it's 91 miles. And I'm gonna do this with the AC on. It's like 90 degrees here in Georgia. And I idled the car, got it up to temp, just above 80. Now, with this hot temperature in Georgia today, we're gonna see this temperature fluctuate in the range between 80 and 100. That's totally normal. RPMs are good. Hot oil pressure, excellent. And our time is 11:20. All right, let's go ahead and get on the road here. And right after this, I'm taking it up to Scott to have it professionally detailed. But we want to get it out onto Georgia 400, get it up to speed, test the cruise control, the braking, the suspension, go through some curvy back roads back here, and just make sure everything is good to go. I always talk about the first thing I notice when I'm driving one of these cars, because you know they're all totally different. And first thing I notice on this one is the smooth transmission shifting. Mercedes modified the vacuum system over the years. Up through 85 was the biggest change, to smooth out the transmission shifting, because that's what the American market wanted. However, this 82 shifts extremely smooth. That means the vacuum system is in excellent health. All right, temperature gauge perfect. Oil pressure all the way up, that's good. Gas gauge working. And we can see our odometer correctly, trip odometer correctly rolling over. Clock's working. Everything is good. Yeah, this feels really nice. All brand new suspension, brand new brakes, brand new shocks. If you've never had a chance to drive one of these cars with all brand new components underneath it, absolutely fantastic. AC feels excellent, blowing out of the center vents. I just have it on low right now. But yeah, that is sufficient, even though it's 90 degrees here in Georgia and 90% humidity. It's like a sauna, and low is totally sufficient. All right, I'm gonna accelerate up this hill when we have this light change. Check the health of the engine uphill. All right, there we go. Perfect shift. Oh yeah, extremely healthy motor. Transmission shifts are excellent. Power is exactly what it's supposed to be. And a lot of guys will ask in my videos, hey, did you do a compression test on the engine? And guys, that's not necessary. The way you do that check is you take the car out and you do a 0 to 60 mile per hour test, and you floor it. And if you're in the right range from 0 to 60, you have an excellent engine. When you have lower compression, the 0 to 60 times will be like 1 or 2 seconds slower, sometimes 3 seconds slower. So we'll do a 0 to 60 test up here. I'm just going kind of fast through these turns here to check the body roll. Yeah, this is fantastic. Corner's very flat. The new shocks feel great. I'm going to try the transmission kick down. That is a switch under the accelerator pedal. There you go. Did you see our RPMs jump? That's perfect. That works excellent. Kind of spirited driving through here. Yeah, steering is very tight. Feels excellent. All right, I'm gonna wait through these lights here, and then we're gonna get out onto Georgia 400. And if the traffic isn't too bad, I'll do the 0 to 60 test up here on the on-ramp. Otherwise, I'll do it on my way back to the shop on another road. We've been driving, you know, pretty spirited, and we can see temperature is excellent, hot oil pressure excellent, RPMs, everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. Hopefully the AC is not blowing in the camera. I did turn the AC on to a high. All right, we do have a car behind us and a car in front of us. I'll try to do the 0 to 60 here. If not, I will do it on a back road on the way back to the shop. I'm just gonna pull over here, let this car go. Okay, here we go. Perfect shift, excellent. Yeah, super healthy engine, guys. There we go. All right, let's go up here. We'll go ahead and test out the cruise control. And I'm gonna put on our cruise control right here. Okay, perfect. We are holding our speed. My foot is not on the accelerator. You can see right here, holding about 65 or so. All right, let me go ahead and accelerate with the cruise control. That works. Excellent. All right, I'm gonna turn that off. There we go. Cruise control is good. You know, I replaced that cruise control module. Let's go over here into the fast lane and get it up to speed. Now in 82, you only had an 80 mile per hour speedometer. I think they changed that to 120 in 85. I'm sorry, in 83. But same exact engine, same transmission, same performance, just different markings on the speedometer. All right, let's go ahead and get up here to 75 or so. There we go. Let's go ahead and get her up to 80. Awesome. Guys, this car is running fantastic. All right, what I'm going to do next is a brake test. I'm going to get over here. And off this exit here, I'm going to go do some hard braking. Because we do have all new brakes, brake pads, calipers, hoses. Okay, I don't think I'm going to have a car behind me here. Okay, I want you guys to watch the speedometer. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hard braking. Oh yeah. Yeah, brakes are fantastic. Guys, this car drives excellent. I have sorted out everything. The suspension feels great. The brakes feel great. The body roll is minimal. The shocks are great. Cruise control works. Engine's very healthy, running excellent. I would say mission accomplished. This is a very nice 1982 300 CD. Should be. I've been working on it for several months and have done everything. I've cut 0 corners on this car. So I'm going to go ahead and get back onto Georgia 400, and we're going to head over to Scott now. And Scott's going to do a professional detailing and clean. It's dusty. It's been in my shop for several months, and he's going to clean it up, and then we will do the final walk around, and this car will officially be done. So I'll record a little more test drive video for you, and we'll see you back at the shop. I just put that AC back on high. Feels excellent, but you need to run it on high in this Georgia heat for sure. Do this turn here a little fast and feel the suspension in the body roll. Oh yeah, that's good. The coupes are really fun to drive. They're just a little sportier than the 300D or the 300 SD. I'll do the kick down switch on the transmission. See how it drops a gear? Perfect. And guys, I've had the AC running the entire time, and we've been driving the car really hard. You can see our temp gauge rose a little bit. Totally normal operating range between the 80 and the 100 mark when you're in really high temps like in Georgia today. So this cooling system is extremely healthy. Everything is operating correctly. Do the cruise control one more time here. Awesome. Got the cruise set right there at, I don't know, between 50 and 55. Foot's not on the pedal. Let's go ahead and accelerate with the cruise control. I'm accelerating with the stalk right now. That works excellent. All right, let me shut that off. Yeah, mission accomplished, guys. Turn this AC back to low. Guys, I'm on this back road here. I'm going to do another 0 to 60. Here we go. Yeah, this engine's awesome. Oh, I've also, excuse the wind noise, I rolled down all the windows because it's nice, sunny day. Yeah, super healthy engine. All right, anyway, now I'm headed over to Scott's.